conceptual, whatever you do. Maulana said to Mirza Ghalib, not Parmar sir. Maulana said to Mirza Ghalib, Mirza, you are a Muslim. Why you take all this liquor as well and all? So Mirza said, what is the use of offering prayer? He said, prayer will give you strength. It's a very powerful thing. And then Ghalib said, कि अगर दुआ में है ताकत तो मस्जिद को हिला कर दिखा. If prayer is having power, then do something miraculous with mosque. अगर दुआ में है ताकत तो मस्जिद को हिला कर दिखा, वरना 2 पैक पी और मस्जिद को हिलकर देगा. This is what you call conceptual clarity. Whatever आप पढ़ने आए ना, whatever you do, be proud. Be proud. Don't feel guilty. Guiltness lead to depression. Be proud of it. Have proper reasons. Proper reasons. कि I am doing this because of these reasons. जैसे आप यहाँ पढ़ने आए, तो when you are clear you are here to study, why to create unnecessary mess here in the life? Why you are convincing others? Why you are trying to teach your philosophy to others? Why you are getting involved in unnecessary things? First thing. And second thing, very important thing, possibly you did not mention here on the board, which I was always saying, studying means understanding. For example, if I asked you, many times I asked so many questions to you in the class, simply to provoke you. You were never provoked. वैसे पहले रहे हम थोड़े मार सुनेंगे. I tell you today also that the path of UPSC, I can give it in writing with guarantee. The path of UPSC passes through NCERT and unsolved. It's a Chakravyuh basically. It's a Chakravyuh. When you stand outside, you see so many things. Syllabus, books, number of books, etc., etc. You just rely on 3 things. Complete command on NCERT, complete command. If you fail, you can do whatever you want to me, I'll stand on the road. 3 things. NCERT, complete command. Command means कि when you are asked कि the principles of, what is the principle on which functions of the legislature depend? How you decide the functions of the legislature? There are legislatures in the world and different types of legislature. How you decide the function of the legislature? Anyone in the class? You must have read Lakshmikant twice, thrice. How you decide the function of a legislature? See? Mistake is, what is the mistake? You underlined it. You did not pay attention. You did not stop. You are running. And you see people, they are here for 3 years, 4 years. Reason? They were running. Have patience. Only for 4-5 months. Consolidate NCERT. Today go and open Lakshmikant and read legislature, functions. No one in the class. Principles on which function of the legislature depends. There is a mistake you do. The principle of the legislature depends upon, no. Functions of legislature depend upon the principle on which it is constituted. And broadly, there are 3 principles in the world. 3. First is autocracy, where legislature is only a consulting body. Second is parliamentary form of government, what we are having. India, Britain, France. Third is American. Legislature and executive have equal powers. This is what you call understanding. Command on NCERT, opening the unsolved. आप नहीं करते ये सब काम. बहुत छोटा सा खेल है यार, बहुत छोटा सा. Command on NCERT, open the unsolved. आपको नेशनल मूवमेंट तैयार करना है, मॉडर्न इंडिया. See the question bank of past 10 years. Why don't you see it? Just go through it, past 10 years. If you take out all the questions, immediately you will come to know what they ask and how they ask. And third, don't treat newspaper as a matter of examination. It's a matter of a responsible citizen. Newspaper should be compulsory in India from class 10th only. It's the failure of our education policy, we don't do it. Otherwise, current affairs should be the part of the examination syllabus in schools. Everyone should be aware. Why anyone comes and rules India? Because people are not aware. Anyone can get up and come and rule India. Awareness is not present in this country. People don't know. People are emotional. They support leaders on the ground of emotion. That is why people get hurt. Otherwise, if I support Modi, there is no point in opposing me. You support Mulayam Singh Yadav. You support, you will tell me the reason why. I support Modi, I will tell with the reason. Reasons which will help the country to grow. So what is the ground of being emotional? Three things: NCERT, unsolved, and newspaper. And in newspaper, why don't you follow the layman approach? You go and see on all the tea stalls in lower cities. The छोटे-छोटे शहर है ना, आप देखो सुबह 7 बजे लोग चाय की दुकान पे आ जाते हैं. Early in the morning, and every tea stall has a newspaper. And this is, from which time? 1870. That was called as library movement. ये तब से चला आ रहा है. Why Lytton imposed Vernacular Press Act? By 80% people were illiterate in India. Then why he is imposing Vernacular Press Act? Because of library movement. What was library movement? People used to manage a court in a village, court and a newspaper. And the reader used to come, people used to sit, he used to read the news and people used to discuss. This is called as layman approach of newspaper. आप क्यों नहीं चाहते कि आप 3-3, 4-4 लोग साथ होकर तैयारी करो? And the day you will think कि यार हम एक दूसरे की I learned everything when I started teaching. And then I knew that the best way of learning is to teach. Best way of learning is to teach. For example, now you can do it. आप चलो कोचिंग में ना पढ़ाओ, ट्यूशन पढ़ा दो. The subject in which you think you are weak, जैसे आपकी इकोनॉमी वीक है, अभी भी पूरा कमांड नहीं है, teach it. You don't want to keep money, you are from a very prosperous family, very good. Donate it. Once you get the money, don't say I don't want money. Take the money and donate it. But the other profit from the other side will be कि when you will teach, you have to prepare and then you have to go. First, you have to feel confidence कि I know what is GDP. Then only you can go and teach GDP. This will help you. Groups were very useful, very useful. You make 3, 4 people and you all belong to a same line. So goal should be very clear. Don't distract yourself. So conceptual clarity and the approach. And I can give you in writing. Develop the command on NCERT. I think there must be some people in your class who come to meet me about NCERTs. And then they said, we never thought that this is the approach, this is the way to prepare NCERT. So don't get entrapped in the Chakravyuh. और एक बार आपका बेस क्लियर हुआ ना, then you will enjoy the other books. एक बार आपकी पॉलिटी पूरी क्लियर हो गई, everything is clear in polity. तो when everything is clear कि what is Lok Sabha, what is Rajya Sabha, and then you will take up Lakshmikant and G.D. Basu, the picture will be clear. You will be able to analyze. This is what I said from the first class. Fine? You want to say? Please.
So this is your favorite.